We do biogas installations. Our biogas systems utilizes animal waste. This is cow dung, poultry waste, and pig waste. We are also exploring the use of kitchen waste and human waste. So the advantages of using biogas are it's clean energy, no pollution, it is very cheap and readily available wherever there is animal waste, and it is sustainable. As long as you have animal waste, you will always be able to generate your biogas. Besides the gas you obtain, you are also able to generate organic fertilizer for use at your farm. And you are able to control, to manage waste. For example, chicken waste that can cause a bad smell. The most common use is cooking. Other uses include water heating in place of the instant showers, or heating water for bathing using LPG. I have a number of clients who have used it for brooding young chicks for about 3 months, saving them the cost of using charcoal or electricity.
Nilianza kutumia since July up to date. Na imenisaidia kusave gas because I was buying gas 13 kgs every month. Now imenisaidia. Situmii. Alafu another thing, imenisaidia kubrood vifaranga for 1 month. In the near future kuna hiyo kutumia kama shower, na bado itatumika kama brooder. Juu bado naendeleta vifaranga wengine in the next like 2 to 3 months. Ningesema Smat Acres waweze kuongeza some services. Isiwe tu ni kupika, tunapika naye, walete vitu zingine sala like shower, vitu kama hizo.
We are exploring clients who will now be using them for lighting and for powering small petrol engines. KCIC has been very helpful with the technical expertise, especially marketing aspect and managing my finances. They have given me useful tools to be able to monitor cash flow. So I have been guided very well, and I also feel I'm not walking alone, that I have someone to hold my hand and to guide me. I'm very, very grateful to KCIC for the support I have received this year in marketing, in media coverage, in design of marketing materials, and in office space. We are very, very grateful, and I'm looking forward to working with them in the remaining time of my incubation. Thank you very much.